What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today I have two of my best little helpers.
Leilani and Koa.
That's right, so we're gonna go ahead and show y'all how to center up the steering wheel on your Jeep. This is gonna help with your traction control light that might be popping off or just getting it from tilted straight. So these two are actually gonna be doing all the work. That's how easy this is. So let's get started. So the first thing I need is Koa, you to go grab that wrench right there. See? And then the two bolts right here. See those two bolts? That one and that one? You're gonna go ahead and loosen those two bolts up. Okay? There you go.
This is so easy.
It helps if you put one hand on it, on the head here, to hold it, and then crank down. That way it keeps it up there. If it feels really loose, then you should be good. Yeah, you should be good. You can move on to the next one.
How do I get in?
You have to turn it. Keep turning. There you go. Push, push, push.
Do I push this way?
You're doing it right. Bring it the other way. You don't want to hear the clicking. Yeah, there you go. That looks like it's pretty loose too.
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty loose.
Okay, so now we're gonna have Leilani go up into the steering wheel. She's gonna be steering at the steering wheel. See if it's unlocked.
That means they're going.
Yep, just hop right up there. Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
You see how, it is a little hot. You see how the steering wheel is kind of crooked like that?
Yeah.
We want it to be straight up and down. So we want it to look more like that. Okay? So leave it right here. You don't want to touch it at all. There we go. And then don't touch it. No, you're not gonna touch it. We're gonna have Koa make the steering wheel turn. And if it looks like it's going the right way, then tell us it's going the right way. If it's going the wrong way, tell us it's going the wrong way. Okay? So let's go ahead and get that started, Bubba. I'm gonna need you back to where you were, and we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. So get down there, get right down here, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this, see this? And you're gonna turn it, okay? So turn it one direction, and then Lonnie's gonna tell you if you're doing good or not. You're probably gonna have to use both hands. You need some help? All right, so I had to jump in there for this little Bubba because that was a little hard. It probably would help if I cleaned up the Jeep and it didn't have all that dirt on there, so it was easier to turn. But very simple. Leilani said we're good, so we're good?
Yep.
You promise? It's centered? Let's see. Looks pretty centered to me.
Can I see?
All right, don't touch it. We gotta go tighten it up. So take that and you're gonna flip the little switch on the top. Turn it over. See that little switch? Flip it. There you go. And then you're gonna get back down there and you're gonna tighten those bolts now this time. Now what would help is if you get your fingers on there and just kind of tighten it up with your fingers as much as you can. That way you do less with a wrench. See that? Now you can go ahead and get that wrench back on there. There you go. And then just tighten it up. Good job, Bubba. And tell me when you think it's nice and tight, and then Daddy will do the last little tightening. You want these tight so that way it doesn't get loose. Good job. Yep. Use that muscle. Oh, there we go. Good job. All right, now get the next one.
That one was very hard.
Yeah. It's not easy, huh? You gotta tighten it up super tight. All right, you're almost there, dude. All right, Daddy's gonna go ahead and take over, and then we'll do the outro.
Actually, I'm going to take over.
You're
Dad's
gonna
not
take over?
doing it anymore.
You're doing everything?
Yep.
You're taking over the whole channel?
I'm taking over all the rest of the channels.
All right, let's go.
And Dad can never do it ever again.
You're crazy.
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yes.
Pretty easy, huh? So easy. How old are you? How old are you?
7.
Yeah.
8.
That's how easy it is. A 7-year-old and an 8-year-old just center the steering wheel. So if they
I
can
wanna
do
do
it,
it
you
wh-
can do it.
I want to
Let
do
me
it
tighten
when
these
I'm
up, though.
5.
What? You want to do it when you're 5? Well, you can't really go in reverse now, can you?
No.
You're
What
just
if
gonna
I
keep
go
getting older.
back in time?
That is true.
And I can change. Only if you can make a time machine, yeah.
Yeah, why
And
don't
I
we go work
can
on that?
change when I've been born to October 21st.
You want to be born in October 21st, not February?
Dad, that means we have to take this apart.
Why?
Because we need this stuff to make it.
Oh, so you want me to use all of the Jeep parts that are on this Jeep to make a time machine?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like a lot of
Or
people
we
would watch
could
that
do-
video, though.
Or we can do the neon.
You want me to take apart the neon?
Nope.
Bro. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
All right, let me tighten this up and then we can do our outro, all right?
Okay.
All right, as you could tell, that really wasn't all that difficult, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. But other than that,
Keep the adventure going.
that's right. Keep the adventure going. All right, see you again soon.
I'll say thumbs up.
Definitely give it a thumbs up, right?
Wow.
All right.